First of all, Richard, congratulations on your winning question, and it's a great question. I'm afraid the answer is I don't think we are. We're blessed in Wales with some amazing natural resources that could really make the difference in terms of wind energy, hydropower, a whole range of options that are available to us. But unfortunately, because of constraints within the planning system and a lack of political will, I think, we haven't seen the progress that I would like to see us make in harnessing those natural resources so that we can use energy that is not damaging the planet. And more importantly than that, make sure that we get an economic advantage out of it as well. We could be creating, skilled jobs for Welsh people if we grasp this opportunity. And instead of seeing these skilled jobs come to Wales, we're seeing them being lost. Only recently in Montgomeryshire, Siemens have pulled out and moved those jobs to Manchester. We have a great opportunity to make sure our energy comes from sustainable sources and to employ Welsh people in manufacturing and developing that energy. And at the moment, the government here in Wales hasn't made the most of that.